Hi guys, welcome to Twitter's funny channel. In our last class, we saw how to design the brand form. In this class, I am going to teach the things of adding the records into our database. So let's see. Okay, the same thing I am going to do as a category part. Okay, let's click at this kind of form I am going to design. So let's go to the project and add Windows form. Now here, not category add, here I am going to add brand add. Click add. Here this is the form. Now first what I am going to do is I am going to change the form border style as none. Then I'm going to the brand view table here, this one. Here let's copy this copy this border, this border, the panel, just copy and paste into my branded table. Edit and paste. Sorry, not this one. When something went wrong, this one, you just click this here, you just select the thing and copy and paste it. Okay, now let's arrange them in the order. On the top we will if you can't, you just get the help of the arrow key, up and bottom arrow key on your keyboard, and place easily. Okay, if it is not comfortable of the mouse, you will be able to drag. You just moving to a panel, help of the up down arrow key. Okay, now you placed it here. Now I need to size this form. Click here, what is the size? This is the size. You just copy the relevant size here and go to the brand add table, click on the form here and place the same size over here and press enter key and apply it. Okay, now let's go to the brand view here. Sorry, this one. Click on the footer as well, and same thing, you copy this one and place it into here, your brand, like this. Now I'm going to change the name as a, click on the category add edit text and heading, you have to change as brand. Okay, now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to copy these relevant fields. Okay, so let's copy this one, just select all, look like this, and copy and go to the brand, add this one here, so just paste it. Okay, you just paste like this. Now you have to change the name only here. This one for category ID. Category ID you have to change as brand ID. Press enter key. Category name you have to change as brand name. Category description you have to change as brand description. That is the only thing you have to do. Now you successfully complete the stuff. Okay, we complete the form design part. Now you are going for the coding part. Okay, here this one, adding button. So let's double click on the adding button here, press enter key. Before the class, above the class, you have to create the namespace import mysql dot data dot mysql client. This is the relevant namespace you have to import at the above of the class, like this. Okay, then only we can connect the database. Now let's moving to our category form. Here, this one, the first thing is get the ID here, auto increment part. Okay, the same thing I'm going to do at the brand also. We not need to write again by again. Okay, that is very boring. If I write and explain this coding again by again, you all feel boring. So I just copy the part of this. Here, the how to copy this one is here, the each and every method end with answer. Okay, so you have to start here this method and copy, start from here and copy to answer, each and every method and end with answer. So you just copy and go to the brand view table. Here you double click on this here. So you just not this form load, you not paste the form load. This is the additional function. You have to create your function your own. So above the load event you have to paste here. Above the load event you have to paste here. Now you successfully paste here. Now what is the thing you have to do is here, no, not the brand view part, I paste the wrong things. You placed on the brand add part. Okay, here you have to paste the method like this. Now what I'm going to do is here, go to the brand add table, click on this text box, properties. You have to change the name as because I copy from this controls from the my brand table, sorry, category table. So you have to change the name each and every text boxes. Here txt cat id, you have to change as brand id. This one brand name, this one brand description, so be this, yes. Okay, press enter key and change the names. Okay, now let's go to the coding part. Here it's the coding also. If you change the name as names, it's the coding also here change the names. Here it's changed successfully. Otherwise if it is not changed, you have to make it as here, what's the name, the display, the auto increment part, txt brand id will be displayed here. Okay, this is the auto increment but I set it. It's not in the cat, this one for brand id. Okay, the same auto number generated I am calling to our brand table. The same thing which I did in my category table, same thing I applied into my brand table. They are category, here not category. Here let me look at the our database table brand. Here what I am going to do is here brand id and brand. Here order by the brand id. Okay, the same thing. I change thing, only change thing is the table names I change. That is the only thing I changed. Okay, here I change only the text box name. Okay, the other things, all the things I did like a category. Okay, now let's check whether the auto number generator is working successfully or not. So I'm calling the auto number generation into my form load event. So select copy this function and place it into your brand load event. Here when the brand is loaded, here this one will be loaded. So let's test that. So first I am going to set as this form as brand add. Okay, we just check it whether it's working fine or not. No, it's not working. What is the problem? Brand tag. Sorry, not brands. This table name will be brands. That will be the problem. Okay, let's click start. Here, the first time you're not adding anything else, so that it display 1000. It's starting from 1000. You add one by one brand, it will be increasing one by one. 1001, 1002, 1003, like this. Okay, this is the easy way to generate the auto number like this. Okay, I hope you enjoy my tutorial. In my next tutorial I am going to continue the brand part. Thank you for watching.